Get it. What's in there? Let's take this out. Open. Pull. I don't know. Keep going. Pull. Pull. Oh, what's in there?
Bacon.
What is it? Pull hard. What is it? What is it? Is it a giraffe? Oh, look, it matches the one that Grandma has. What is it? It matches the one that Grandma has. Give it a hug. Oh, give it a kiss. Yeah. Can you give it a kiss?
Come on.
Yeah, so it's like what Grandma has. It matches. You guys have matching giraffes. Yay! Mwah, hugs. You showing Daddy?
Mama.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't think it's not from Grandma.
Yes.